The difference between a Shopify store that struggles and one that prints money isn't luck. It's optimization. And if your store isn't optimized to rank on search engines like Google, it's actually costing you traffic and sales every single day. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 proven steps to turn your Shopify store into a sales machine. We'll cover where to put your keywords so Google actually notices you, the one type of page that usually makes the most money for store owners, simple tweaks to speed up your site, how blogging and informational content can actually drive buyers straight to you, and finally, how to use internal links with the right anchor text to boost your rankings even further. But before we dive in, what's the number one thing you struggle with when it comes to getting traffic to your Shopify store? Drop it in the comments. Shopify makes it easier to launch a store, but not so easy to get found. SEO isn't automatic despite all the green check marks you're probably seeing on your website. If your site isn't optimized, Google has no clue what you sell, and your customers will never even see you. Google's own SEO starter guide says it flat out. You need clear titles, simple navigation, and helpful content. Without those, your Shopify store isn't just unperforming, it's invisible. Tip number 1, where to put your keywords. Using the right keywords in the right places will force Google to notice your site. They need to live in your title tag, your meta description, your H1 tag, and yes, right inside the content on your page. And yes, that includes product and collection pages. On Shopify, that starts with your product titles and descriptions. Google wants these to be clear and descriptive, not vague placeholders. So instead of going with something like blue shirt for your product, go with something like men's slim fit blue cotton shirt. Do you see the difference? One gets ignored and the other one gets clicks. Backlinko's eCommerce SEO guide makes another key point. Unique product descriptions are non-negotiable. If you just copy paste the manufacturer's text, Google yawns. It's seen that exact same copy on hundreds of other websites. Original descriptions not only help you rank, they also give shoppers an actual reason to add to cart. Tip number 2, improve site speed and mobile experience. Speed sells. Shopify's own enterprise blog cites a Deloitte study showing that shaving just 0.1 seconds off mobile load time can boost conversions by 8.4%. That's an average order value of 9.2%. And that's not a typo. Tiny improvements equal big money. Google also makes it clear, mobile usability is a ranking factor. If your store isn't easy to navigate or just looks broken on a phone, you're not just losing rankings, you're losing customers. On Shopify, that means compressing images, ditching bloated apps that you don't use, and running a theme that's actually built for speed. And if all of that sounds like a headache, you can just hire someone to handle it for you. That's exactly what I do at my agency. Tip number 3, Shopify secret weapon. There's one page type on every Shopify store that almost nobody bothers to optimize, and it can quietly drive a flood of traffic. Here's an example. This keyword gets almost 7,000 searches a month. It's not super competitive, and the number 1 result isn't even a blog post. It's a page that features products. So if you haven't guessed, I'm talking about collection pages. Most stores just leave them bare, but if you treat them like blog posts, they become traffic magnets. Add your keyword in all the right spots, the same one that I mentioned in the first tip in this video. And then go another step further. Include FAQs, answer real customer questions, and build out content that actually helps people make a buying decision. I have seen collection pages single-handedly change a business once they started climbing in the search results. Tip number 4, how blogging made our client 5 times more revenue. Yes, blogging, the thing that everyone actively avoids because it doesn't directly make them money. But here's the secret. Blogging builds topical authority, it pulls in traffic, and both of these make Google trust you more, and that makes it easier to rank for the exact keywords people are typing in when they are ready to buy. For one client, we blogged just twice a week for a little over 2 years, and the result is that she now ranks for over 900 keywords in the top 3 spots. Most of them are directly tied to her products. And search engines see her as a thought leader, and customers see her everywhere. And her revenue, it's 5 times higher, all because she blogged when everyone else skipped it. Or rather, she hired us to blog for her while everyone else was sleeping on it. Tip 5, internal linking, the secret SEO cheat code. Okay, this one's my favorite, and honestly, it's how we help clients break into tougher keywords in super competitive markets. Here's a strategy. Every time you publish a blog post, don't let it just sit there. Make sure it includes links to your products and collection pages. There are 2 reasons for this. First, it naturally pushes readers from your blog post to your products or collection pages, which means more eyeballs and more sales on the stuff that actually makes you money. Second, it sends a clear signal to Google, this page is important and this is the keyword we want it to rank for. Think of it like casting votes for your own pages. The more relevant, keyword-rich links pointing to your products or collection pages, the more authority those pages build in Google's eyes. And unlike backlinks from other sites, this is completely under your control. That's why we call it the closest thing to an SEO cheat code. So which one of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and for the love of God, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and make sure you check out my other videos. I post new ones every week, cutting through the BS so I can actually help you get your website ranked. Bye.